Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Alex here from Simple Mods, back with another custom system to showcase. And this one is actually a client build that I did for MSY. They're a PC parts reseller here in Australia, and they got in touch and asked if I could put together a superhero-inspired custom PC. Now, they already had a character in mind, and I'll let you guys guess that one down in the comments, as this is a more commercial sort of system that will be displayed in MSY stores. In order to avoid any IP copyright related issues and things like that, I had to get a little bit creative with the way I applied the theme to this case mod. So I hope you guys still enjoyed how it turned out. So I want to say a huge thanks to Corey from Designs by IFR for helping laser cut the front panel design. So what I first did is I cut out a rectangle in the front panel, I painted a metallic gold, and then the acrylic panel was laser cut with the design. I painted that metallic red, and then it was double-sided taped to the front panel. And then I also painted metallic red the side vents, and they've got the gold shining through. And then on the inside, I made some more cover panels and then also a custom power supply shroud. And then I painted the I/O shield on the motherboard, and then pretty much the entire graphics card, which is the AORUS RTX 2080 Super WATERFORCE edition with the built-in AORUS cooler. The whole card was painted. Everything was sort of painted nicely to match with the theme and the chosen colors. So I really like how everything turned out. I was a bit worried as what I was going to do with this system in order to avoid any IP issues, but I think everything pops pretty well, and the blue coolant and the lighting on the inside give it a nice contrast. Now the case is the Thermaltake S300 tempered glass. It's a mid-tower case. It's $135 in Australia, $80 in the US, and I gotta say, for that amount of money, it's a pretty solid case. It's got great custom water cooling support, and then also a ton of space in the back for some easy cable management. For the rest of the specs, we've got a Z490 AORUS Elite, i7 10700K, 16 gigs of Thermaltake ToughRAM Z1 3600 MHz RAM, the C240 DDC hard tube liquid cooling kit from Thermaltake, and their ToughPower GF 750 watt power supply as well. So you guys can check out the full specs down in the video description. Hope you like how this build turned out and enjoy the time lapse. Thanks a lot for tuning into this video and sticking around all the way until the end. I've got 2 more custom builds coming next week, and those are looking pretty colorful, so stay tuned for those. Like this video if you enjoyed, subscribe for more custom build videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!